Creating a mod pack for Minecraft allows you to customize the game with a collection of mods. Here's a concise guide. Install Minecraft Forge. Start by installing Minecraft Forge, a modding platform for Minecraft. Download the Forge installer from their website and run it to create a Forge profile in the Minecraft launcher. Choose mods. Select the mods you want to include in your mod pack. Mods can be found on websites like CurseForge or Planet Minecraft. Ensure they are compatible with the Minecraft version you're using. Create a new folder. On your computer, create a new folder for your mod pack. Name it appropriately. Install mods. Download the mod files and place them in the mods folder within your mod pack folder. Ensure all mods are compatible with the same Minecraft version and Forge version. Configurations. Some mods require configuration. Edit their perspective config files if necessary, which can be found in the config folder within your modpack folder. Customize. Consider customizing other aspects of your mod pack, such as resource packs, shaders, and server settings. Testing. Before sharing your mod pack, test it thoroughly to ensure that all mods work together without conflicts or crashes. Pack distribution. Create a compressed archive of your modpack folder, excluding Minecraft's core files. Share this archive on a platform of your choice, such as CurseForge, Technic Launcher, or a personal website. Documentation. Provide clear instructions for users on how to install and use your modpack. Updates. Keep your modpack updated by regularly checking for mod updates and resolving compatibility issues.